Hello guys, today I've got REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how you can easily use all the controls. So here we are now in the application, and in the gestures we can see all the list of our gestures. This application is called Xiaomi Earbuds. So as you can see here, we've got top left earphone once. The default value for this is none. Tap right earphone once, none. Double tap left earphone, play and pause. Double tap right earphone, play and pause. Triple tap left earphone, next song. Triple tap right earphone, next song. Press and hold left earphone, noise cancellation, and press and hold right earphone, noise cancellation. You can adjust them, but these are the default ones. Goodbye!